This is the Skmei 1998, an homage to the Casio AE1200. Some might call it a copy, but that's up to you to decide. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Frugal Watchbox channel for another unboxing video. Today we will be unveiling Skmei's tribute to the iconic Casio AE1200 digital watch. Priced at only $8, including shipping, we aren't expecting a watch box or fancy packaging. The only protection provided is minimal bubble wrap, but the watch inside appears undamaged. Here it is, the Skmei 1998, still inside its plastic enclosure. Let's take out the watch and look at the documentation. There is only a single-page operation manual, with English on one side and Chinese on the other. Despite its brevity, the manual covers all necessary settings, from features to chronograph functions. Let's return to the watch and remove the tag, which is easier to remove compared to Casio's. Now, let's peel off the back case protective sticker. Wow, what a nice back case. Next, let's examine the case dimensions. The case diameter is 42 millimeters, with a lug-to-lug distance of 45 millimeters. A thickness of about 13 millimeters, a lug size of approximately 18 millimeters, and a weight of about 42 grams. Now let's talk about the watch dial. At the top we have the dual time display, and at the bottom there's the EL luminous imprint. The bezel and case appear to be made of hard resin or plastic. On the inner bezel, you'll find imprints of the Skmei logo and alarm chronograph. The right side features two easily accessible buttons for start and reset. While the left side has twin buttons for mode and light. The left side also displays a circular element resembling a crosshair, numbered from 05 to 60. At the top of the dial is the timer panel, and below that is the dual time or day panel. Just below the circle, there's an imprint indicating WR 50 meters, signifying that this watch is water-resistant up to 50 meters. Below that, there's the hour, minute, and second panel, and further down is the countdown timer imprint. The bracelet is a standard Skmei resin strap, which feels somewhat stiff, but its quality can only be determined over time. It's a simple strap, and the buckle lacks a Skmei logo. However, for an $8 watch, there's no complaint. The back case is made of stainless steel, with imprints indicating water resistance 5 ATM, the model number, the Skmei logo, and the battery code. The back case is secured to the case with 4 screws, similar to Casio watches. The Skmei 1998 boasts features such as dual time, stopwatch, countdown timer, alarm, date and week display, EL light, water resistance up to 50 meters, and 12 24-hour formats. After setting the time, day, date, and alarms, the screen looks much more complete. Here's a comparison of the Skmei 1998 to the original Casio AE1200. While there are some similarities in appearance, the AE1200 offers more features, better water resistance, and higher quality. Let's try this 42mm Skmei on my 6.5-inch wrist. Not bad at all. It fits just right. Finally, let's compare the EL backlight of both watches. First, the Skmei 1998, and then the Casio AE1200. I'll leave it to you viewers to decide which watch has the advantage in terms of brightness. Okay guys, that's the end of our video today. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hitting that like button. Thank you for watching, and see you again in the next video. Bye for now.